Hello and welcome, or welcome back if this is your very first time clicking on one of my videos. I like to make videos around minimalism, simplifying your life, decluttering the excess so that you can enjoy life more fully. But today I want to give you a house tour. We are moving this week. So excited to make this house kind of my minimalist dream. I definitely have things I'm going to be decorating, so I wouldn't call myself an extreme minimalist by any stretch, but we have decluttered about 75% of our possessions and we're still at it after a year. So I want to give you a tour of this pretty much empty space to just kind of show you where I am going to be and just kind of give you a few ideas of the things I'm going to do. If you would like to go ahead and stick around on this channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe and let's jump right in. When you walk into the home, this is what you see. You have these vaulted ceilings, which we really loved. And then we're excited to put some wainscoting here and on this wall here. If you don't know what that is, it's like board and batten. It's actually quite easy to do yourself and very inexpensive. So we're gonna definitely kind of spruce up this front entryway area. And then we just chose the color white for our paints in the whole house because we wanted the trim to be white so that we could kind of paint any color and not have anything clash. So that's a tip if you know you want your baseboards to be white. Just get the whole thing white and then do some painting yourself. So I am glad that we did that. These floors I'm the most excited about. I think they're pretty. And then you've got your coat closet here and then a bathroom, which I love having right here. In our old house, it was right off the kitchen, which I didn't love as much. So having this really separated from the main living area, I think is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and take you upstairs first, and then we'll check out the kitchen and the downstairs area. One of the things that absolutely sold us on this house is this loft area. This is so perfect. We are going to put some living room furniture in here, a love seat, and then just like a regular couch. And then we'll have a TV up here. This will be kind of like the kids area. They're kind of like just a little hangout spot. And then if you go ahead and look over the banister, here is the view of the entryway. So all of the bedrooms are off of the loft. This is the laundry room. I am praying that our washer and dryer fit. This is a little drain that we got just in case we have some flooding, which we've had in previous homes. Just one, but it was terrifying and we did not want to risk that. If you don't hook everything up properly, then you have a major flood and it is so scary. So we went ahead and got that. And then this laundry room is really cool because it's got this little nook right here where you could put a sink, but I went ahead and just left it open so that I could do a hamper here, and then I'm gonna have some shelves built right here. Cody will probably be able to do that, but just for extra storage. So there's the laundry room. And then this way we have the kids' bathroom. We're working on putting all the hardware in right now. We just got these at Lowe's and they're perfect because I'm doing black and golden here. And then these countertops are just laminate. But they look kind of pretty with that marble. And then we chose this gray flooring. Obviously, we've been drilling up here. This shower curtain came from Target, and I'm really excited to also put some wainscoting right here. And I'm thinking about painting it a light gray or a navy blue. Let me know in the comments, what color would you do? Would you do a light gray or a navy blue wall? I think the navy blue with some gold hooks for towels would be so pretty, but let me know what you think. Then right next to the bathroom, this is where my big boys are gonna be, and then I'm gonna show you what I have pinned for this room. It's going to be so fun. They have 2 beds. We have bunk beds that we thought about putting right here, but I have a 2-year-old and I really worried that she would get up there and fall off because she is wild. So we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna have the rooms separated. There's their closet. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what we've got in our mind for this room, and it's really gonna be a fun project. All right, then going down the hall this way, we have Lila's bedroom. So this is a 3-bedroom with a loft. So here's her room. Her little toddler bed will go here. And I actually don't know what I'm gonna be doing in here yet. I'll definitely add a chandelier, probably some paint. This is the master bedroom, which I am dying to start decorating. Again, I'll show you what I have pinned for this room right here. We're gonna put our bed here and then do some curtains and maybe a fireplace right here. And then this is our master bath. I am going to add some gold hardware in here. We're doing a little bit more like a farmhouse glam in this house. In the old house that I was in before, if you've been following me that long, was definitely modern farmhouse. A little bit more rustic, a little more black and white, but I wanted to add gold to this house just to make it a little bit more elevated, a little bit more glam. Please let me know in the comments if you want me to kind of bring you along as I'm decorating the rooms in this house. I'm definitely going for something minimal, but something very, very cozy. So like I said in the beginning, this is going to be a decorated home. I'm not by any means an extreme minimalist or looking to have a very bare house. So just like this video, that would help, and then leave me a comment. Do you want me to bring you along and show you kind of room by room how we're decorating minimally, but definitely cozy and inviting? Back in the entryway again. So if you go straight, you'll hit our main living area, door to the basement, which we are going to finish. And then this is so funny. We opened up a couple boxes and found our Christmas decorations just kind of right there on top. So we thought we might as well. We did get this fireplace brand new. I will leave a link for you guys down below. This is really pretty. It does have different settings and you can have it give you heat. It's really nice. And then our couch will be delivered in the next couple of weeks. And then I am struggling to know what I want to do with curtains. So I have all of these beautiful windows that let in tons of natural light, but I just don't quite know yet what to do about curtains. Do you think I should do something more neutral or something a little bit more bold? Do you think I should do something with a lot of texture? Just let me know your opinion. I'm definitely leaning towards neutral with some texture, kind of both texture neutral, but let me know if you think something bold will look pretty in here because our furniture is definitely more neutral. I am so excited to be back in a white kitchen space. The apartment that we've been living in for the last several months has had a brown kitchen, and although I've been so grateful for that space, it's been so amazing, I am happy to get back into the white cabinets. It's just my personal taste. And then Cody added all of this hardware. So in our old house, I had black hardware, and these obviously are gold, and I'm so excited. I think it looks really nice. So we put the gold handles on all of these cupboards, and then we'll be adding some really easy and affordable backsplash kind of as time goes on. This table I am so excited about. We got this on Wayfair and it's perfect. It's a little bit darker and a little bit warmer than it showed up in the picture online. However, it really does look nice with the gold hardware, so I think it's gonna be okay. We've got a bench that we've got to stain ourselves. We've got all of the stain. We just have to go ahead and do the project. And then I've got 2 gray tufted captain's chairs coming that I am just gonna Scotch guard to death and pray over because I've got little kids. So here is my view from the kitchen sink. And we're going to put the piano right here, either right here or right here. And then I almost forgot to show you, I grabbed this cute little shelf ladder at Hobby Lobby, and I did get it for a discount. So I was really happy about that. Like I said, we found that Christmas box. So that's what I've got right now. But as Christmas comes to a close, I'll definitely do something simple, but I'm gonna have to look around and see what I have in my decor boxes already that I want to put on here. But I like having a couple blankets at the bottom. I think that's really nice. I'll see if I can find maybe a basket to go to the side right here. Maybe I'll scoot this over. I'm not exactly sure. Here is what we have planned for the boys' bedroom. We're gonna do this constellation themed room, and again put that board and batten or wainscoting all the way around, and then paint this top portion this really dark color. And then they've already got these beds practically. They're this color, and then we're gonna just get some buffalo plaid to accent. Isn't that cute? So I'm really excited to get started on that project. It probably won't be for a little while, but I think it'll come together super, super cute. For the master, this is really what I'm going for. I think this is beautiful. This is, I think, my Texas house on Instagram. She has the most beautiful account. I recommend her. She's definitely got that farmhouse glam going on. So I love a lot of what she's done. I am really looking to get like a little bench for the bottom of my bed. And then I probably won't accessorize as much as she has, but this is the overall feeling that I want in the bedroom. And I'll probably get this rug too. So let me know what you think. Do you like it? I just want to do something really cozy, but neutral and just inviting. These are the World Market bar stools that I want to get. Sadly, they don't ship, and the closest ones to me are probably over an hour away. So I don't know if I can get them. If you know how to get your hands on these, they're pretty popular. I see them everywhere online, but they're really hard to get your hands on. So let me know. These are the Bistro bar stools, and like I said, they're sold by World Market. I'm really crossing my fingers for them. And then we did wire for pendant lights, so I'm going to be looking to do some little lanterns as well. So I love these, really hoping I can find them. Then I'm going to be building a little makeshift mudroom out in the garage since we don't have a mudroom in this house. So this is my inspiration. Let me know if you want to see that too. As part of my kind of minimalist home decor, but I think this is a really cool use of space. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I cannot wait to get some content filmed in this brand new space. I feel so inspired. Go ahead and click subscribe if you want to follow along my minimalist journey. I will see you soon. Bye.